In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the RSI indicator on MetaTrader 5. Now, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is a crucial tool that helps you identify potential market trends by analyzing the momentum of price changes. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, let's start by launching MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Once you have the platform open, you'll want to focus on the specific chart you wish to analyze. This could be a currency pair, a commodity, or any other financial instrument you're interested in. Simply select this chart from your list if it's not already displayed. Having the right chart open is important because the RSI will provide insight specific to that asset's performance. With your chart selected, move your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see the menu bar. There, you'll find an option labeled Insert. Think of this as your gateway to adding various tools and indicators that can enhance your trading analysis. Click on Insert, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, navigate to Indicators. This section houses a variety of analytical tools that can help you make informed trading decisions. Within the Indicators menu, you'll find several categories, but for our purposes today, we're interested in oscillators. Oscillators are a type of technical indicator that fluctuates within a certain range, helping traders identify when an asset is overbought or oversold. As you hover over oscillators, another submenu will appear. From this list, locate and click on Relative Strength Index. Once you select the RSI, a settings window will pop up. This is where you can customize the indicator according to your trading preferences. Although there are various parameters you can tweak, the default settings are generally sufficient for most trading strategies. These defaults are designed to provide a balanced view of market conditions. However, if you're feeling adventurous or have a specific strategy in mind, feel free to adjust the settings to better suit your needs. When you're happy with the settings, the next step is simple. You'll notice an OK button towards the bottom of this window. Go ahead and click OK to apply the RSI indicator to your chart. Instantly, you'll see a new section appear below your main price chart, depicting the RSI. This visual representation will update in real time as price movements occur, offering you valuable insights into market momentum. And there you have it, a seamless way to add the RSI indicator to your MetaTrader 5 platform. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to gauge market movements and make more informed trading decisions. Remember, the RSI is just one tool in your trading toolkit, so be sure to use it in conjunction with other analyses and indicators. Thanks for joining me today and happy trading.